Hey guys, how's it going? Tonight we are going to be installing some grid heater relays on the truck, getting the truck winterized. I got the driveline dropped off at the driveline shop, getting shortened by, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches. And the grid heater relays, the stock ones on my truck crapped out quite some time ago. One of them, if you have it all plugged in, it just constantly triggers on and off and on and off and on and off. So I've just got it completely disabled. So I do have hard starts in the wintertime if I'm not plugged in. And hopefully this will fix that problem for this winter. So yeah, we're going to be working on the driver's side underneath the battery. I'm going to remove the battery just for easier access. So if you start your truck up on a cold morning and the lights start to dim, go back to normal dim, it's the grid heaters working. Each one's 95 amps or so, and there's 2 of them, so it's 190 amps of polling power at 12 volts. So a lot of power to freaking run those things, and they'll cycle on and off until you hit 15 or 25 miles an hour. So if your lights dim in the wintertime, don't worry, it's normal. Alright, so we got the battery tray out, and for these 4 main posts I used a 13mm socket with an extension, and then the smaller wires just pull out. The 2 wires closest to the wheel well are just right here in this fusible link going to your positive terminal, and then the other 2 I believe are grounds. And then this guy right here in the middle is a 3/8. We're going to take that out so we can swap out these relays. There are also 2 more on each side of this bracket. So to get these off, you just take these tabs and pry them back, and then the relay just pops right out. Alright, so I got them back in, got all the wires hooked up. Now we're going to volt test each one of these. Each one has its own relay, so turn the truck on and it should have some voltage going to it. Only got 1 battery hooked up to it, so we'll see how much voltage it has. Alright, so we got voltage on that one. Oh, you can hear it turn off and on. So it's not very cold, but we'll see if that does anything. The grid heater already cycled on when I had the key on the run, and then it cycled off. So let's fire it off and then see if it turns on and off. It should just cycle on and off if ambient air temperature is under 60 degrees. Dip down again, which usually mean it cycled on, now it's off. Cycled on again, now it's off. Yeah, so looks like it's working, cycling on and off. I got a video, I'll link it, show what it was doing before when I had the old relay fully plugged in. Probably bump this idle up and change the fuel filter on here next video. See how that goes, but yeah, that's the grid heater relay.